We are the group 2, and today we'll be reporting about surface area of prisms and cylinders. This topic is important because surface area helps us understand how much material is needed to cover 3D objects in real-life situations. Our group will explain the key concepts, the formulas, and sample computations related to prisms and cylinders. Let's begin with prisms.
So, prism, the definition and parts. So, prism is a solid figure with two parallel and congruent bases. These bases can be triangles, rectangles, pentagons, or any polygons. These are the important parts of the prisms. First include the lateral faces, the faces around the sides. And the second is lateral edges, the line segment where lateral faces meet. And the third is altitude or height, the perpendicular distance between the bases. And fourth is the right precision, the altitude is the perpendicular to the base. And the last is oblique precision, the altitude is landed. So now we know that part, so let's move on to the surface area.
So the surface area of a right prism is the sum of all its faces. The formula for it is SA equals PH plus 2B, where P is equal to perimeter of the base and is equal to height of the prism, and the B is the area of the base. So example, if the base is a rectangle 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter, so this is P equals 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3, and it is equal to 14 centimeter. And for the base is equals to 4 times 3, it is equal to 12 centimeter squared. So our SA is equal to 14 times 10 plus 2 times 12 is equal to 140 plus 24. And the final answer is 164. So next.
So, and the cylinder definition is a cylinder is a solid with two congruent circular bases and a curved surface connecting them. So, the important terms is the lateral surface, the curved part of the cylinder, and the axis of the cylinder is the line segment joining the center of the two circular bases, and the right cylinder is the axis of perpendicular to the base, and the oblique, oblique cylinder, the axis is titled.
The next part is the surface area of a cylinder. So the formulas for cylinders are for lateral surface area, or LSA, is equals to 2 pi RH, while the total surface area, or TSA, is equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. So where they are there is equivalent to the radius of the base, while the height is while the letter H is the height of the cylinder. So for example, if we have the radius of 5 centimeters and height of 12 centimeters, so we're going to use the lateral surface area formula. So LSA is equals to 2 pi, then our radius is 5 and our height is 12. So if we multiply 5 and 12, that is 60, and then 60 times 2, that is equal to 120 pi. Well, for the total surface area, or TSP, is equals to our LSA, which is the 120 pi plus 2 pi 25. So 2 times 25, that is equals to 50 pi. So if we add 120 pi plus 50 pi, that is equals to 170 pi. So I guess that ends our report for the surface area of prisms and cylinders. Thank you for listening and God bless.